So recently I came across this amazing interactive guided meditation experience set in the world of Kung Fu Panda. That's right, I'm not making this up. The app is called the School of Chi and transports you to the Valley of Peace to meet the Dragon Warrior. It's so magical and an awesome demo that shows exactly what Vision Pro can do. So let me take you on this little adventure and demonstrate what it's all about. So when we boot up the app, you quickly find out that to be able to try it, you need a decent amount of space. So yeah, in my case, I had to get rid of the coffee table to get started. Once ready, you can launch it, which starts by letting petals fall across your room in a peaceful manner. And then something cool happens. Watch this. Yep, that's him. Oh no, I think he forgot about our meeting. Oops. Oh.
Hey there, I'm Poe the Dragon Warrior. Today I'll be guiding you with an inner peace meditation to help you let go of the stress of the day.
Yes, it's worth mentioning that this experience is best played standing, but luckily you can also do it seated if you want, so everyone can tag along. It's then time for our first lesson. Whew, bring it on!
Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth.
During this meditative experience, you grow the peach tree of heavenly wisdom, which can be seen in the background. And at first it's just a baby branch, but the better you follow Poe's instructions, the faster we'll see it evolve in a beautiful, beautiful tree.
Inner peace.
Something that may be hard to see from afar is that Poe does come out of its portal. When we take a closer look from the side, you can clearly see how he's fully 3D rendered, and so is the highly detailed environment in front and behind him. It makes you feel like you are part of one of the animated films that decided to pay you a visit from the confines of your own room. Something that I should add is that the headset's cameras actually rate your hand movements, generating a score as you go, which you get at the very end. Stay tuned. Oh, and thanks to eye tracking, Poe is aware when you look at him and responds to your chi moves using different facial expressions. For example, here I'm not correctly following his instructions and judges me in a funny way. I not only love how DreamWorks promotes the new Kung Fu Panda movie in a spatial manner, but they also attempt to do something good by motivating you to move more and let go of your stress. If you ask me, genius marketing.
I can feel a kung fu chill riding up my spine.
Breathe in 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4.
And here comes the best part. We've fully grown the tree of heavenly wisdom, which now blossoms out of the portal into my own house. This is such a mind-blowing moment and can only put a smile on your face.
Whoa!
That kung fu stuff is hard work, right? I'll let you get back to your eternal peace. Skadoosh!
And with that, this short but sweet experience is over. You can then share your score with friends and family and watch the trailer right after. It's only available on Vision Pro right now, which does surprise me because this is something that you would expect on other headsets as well. It's such a unique way of not only getting people to watch the new movie, but also using this opportunity to get you moving. There you have it. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this experience. Do you think it's cool? Do you think it's kind of gimmicky? I mean, whatever, let me know. And with that being said, until next time, bye-bye, and see you in the future with more, well, Vision Pro content.